What up, guys? This is my new bike check. Right here we got a black label bar ends, dual cranbar grips, Verde Theory handlebars, Odyssey classic top load stem, Verde Theory forks, Primo pegs, aluminum, Fit FAF white wall tire, Cinema 777 double wall rims, alloy front hub, and lace to the regular spokes. Frame is again Verde Theory. Pedals are dual desided. Crank arms, Verde Theory. Verde React sprocket, Shadow Conspiracy interlock chain, half link, another bag, BSD seat, and alienation seat post. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see, back end, got another Fit FAF white wall tire, 9-tooth driver, and alloy back hub. My bottom bracket is just a Verde bottom bracket with mission spindle. Headset is integrated, and I think that's about it.